Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all about my new painting project coming in June called It's a Painting Revolution. So it's a mouthful. So the hashtag is going to be Painting Revolution Project Pan. And this is going to be all about getting use out of Makeup Revolution products. So if I had to sit down and count out which brand there's more of, I think it would be a tie between Revolution and ColourPop. Now, I will say that I didn't keep any of my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes, so ColourPop beats them there, but I have an affinity for their base products. I love so very many of them. So this is going to be a painting project all about Makeup Revolution, and that's anything under their brand. So BH Cosmetics, you got Revolution, Revolution Skin, Revolution Pro, I Heart Revolution, XX Revolution, Planet Revolution, Makeup Obsession, Revolution Men, and Revolution Hair. And like I said, also BH Cosmetics, because I did acquire them, and I want to say that they are selling on their website. So this is going to start June 12th, 2023, and we're going to go through June 11th, 2024. So it's going to be a year-long project, and it's 3 to 6 products. You set your own goals. So those of you who've done any of my projects, you know I try to keep them as open-ended as possible because people don't pan the same way. And yeah, so I haven't decided what I'm going to use. I need to sit down and figure out everything else that I'm currently panning. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Like I said, I have a ton of Makeup Revolution. I have 4 things right in front of me. I use 4 things every day for Makeup Revolution at least. So if you're interested, this is a Fantastic Ladies collab, but you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join. But I will have all of the information linked in the description box down below if you'd like to join us with the Fantastic Ladies. Like I said, there's the hashtag, all of it. We're starting June 12th. So please don't put your intro up before then, but I understand if you're overseas that it'll go up before mine. That's cool, no problem. But yeah, I'm excited to see what you guys decide to pan. Be sure to tag me here or over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans, so I can follow along with you. I do try to like at least every post I see. I am awful with social media. I'm awful with Instagram, faux show. So yeah, anywho, that's it. So we are painting Revolution. I will have the list of everyone, like all of the Revolution down below. And if they come up with a new brand, didn't they do like some kind of music brand? And they brought out some Jimi Hendrix stuff. I feel like that was a brand at Ulta, but it's no longer at Ulta. I don't know. But anywho, I'm excited to see what you decide to pan, and thank you for those of you who are playing along with me. And you don't have to do this on social media. You can just do this at your house. You can share your progress every month under my update. I'd love to hear how you're doing. So yeah, so let me know if you're going to jump on this one in the comments down below. I'm going to update every month. You can update when you want to. And again, set your own goals. Finish something, get some usage out of something, whatever you want to do. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Again, all the information is linked in the description box down below. And I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Love your faces, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Prove that you love me, and by the next round, oh,